My name is Miriam Ton, and I am here today to talk about Dr. Russell Kridel and what he did for me. Dr. Russell Kridel took a really bad situation and gave me back my life. Right before Harvey, I had a deviated septum, and I had surgery for it. I had turbinate reduction, the whole kit and caboodle. I even had some implants put in, and I knew within about 10 to 12 days that something was wrong. I went back and saw that surgeon, and they said, well, we made a hole in your nose, right? You have a perforation. Let's get you, give you some time to heal, and then let's refer you to another surgeon. Well, they referred me to another surgeon. That surgeon corrected the nasal perforation, and while she was removing some sutures, made a hole in my nose. So let's fast forward to 3 years. I suffered quite a bit. My quality of life diminished. I was not able to run or cycle, definitely wasn't going swimming. I just stayed home a lot. I didn't have enough oxygen. I had all kinds of issues from it. I finally decided, okay, I'm ready for a third surgery. And I went and saw several plastic surgeons, and they all referred me to Dr. Kridel. They'd look at my nose, they'd look at the 4 perforations, and they would say, you have to see Russell Kridel. I did. I saw Dr. Kridel 2 years ago. He looked at my nose and he said, okay, I can help you. He said, I'm gonna do my best to get it done in 1 surgery. He goes, but you might need 2. I prayed the night before surgery. I prayed minutes before surgery, and I just knew my faith was not only in God, but in Dr. Kridel, because I knew he could do this for me. I needed my life back. And Dr. Kridel, when I saw him the next day, said, the hole is closed. You no longer have a nasal perforation repair. And since then, I've been able to enjoy long walks. I am starting to get out of the house more often. I've been able to do some of the fun things that I couldn't do before. And if it wasn't for him, I don't even know where I'd be right now. But I know that I wouldn't be outdoor playing with my grandkids, and I wouldn't be able to function like I should. He's just amazing. I don't have enough, there's not enough things that I could say that would justify how well he treated me, the great care that he gave me, and he's just so compassionate. I just don't have any words. He's amazing.